Hello everyone, it's me Deja coming to you all with another video, and today I'm going to do a hair tutorial, different styles that you can do with Bohemian locks. So these are Bohemian locks, yes, and I'm going to try to do like maybe at least 10 different styles that are simple and easy and quick to do. So let's get started. Okay, so this style is called the basic chick. So all you really do, it's real simple and easy, no ponytail holders. So you just take the middle of your head, and then you're gonna go like this. Just twist your hair around like this. Real simple. And just start twisting like this. Just twist in a circle. And you should achieve this same style. And keep going. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then boom. Like this. The basic chick. Okay, so this next style is gonna be called Rihanna / Megan Good. It's basically like when they have the side of their hair shaved, and so because our hair is not gonna be shaved, we're just gonna put it to the side. So that's how you do it. Take this side of your hair, and we're gonna put it to the side. Take this front part, lift it up, and then this hair, we're just gonna take. Taking too much. Hold on, I took too much hair, so I'm gonna take a little bit because I took too much. I don't need that much. So this, put it to the side. Lift the front hair up, and then we're just gonna lift this up too. We're gonna take this, put it in a ponytail. It's a little ponytail, like this. Put it like this, so nobody won't see it. Oh shoot, my nose piercing just came out. So yeah, you see, you won't see the little ponytail we just formed. It blends right on in, and then you also have your hair like this, so it's like this. So it's the no shave side, pretend shave side, Rihanna / Megan Good look. So that's how you do that one. Okay, so this next style we're gonna do, I'm gonna call it the two ponies. So basically we're gonna have our hair in two little balls, and the rest gonna be down. And oh lord, you probably don't even need ponytail just for this, to be honest. But just make sure it's secure. Secure. Take your hair and you're just gonna twist it. Does not have to be perfect at all. Oh lord, two big balls. Two big balls. Two little ponies, two little ponies, two little ponies. Okay, so doesn't have to be perfect, and you just got this like two little horns. So we're gonna call it two little ponies. Okay, so this next look, I'm gonna call it the 80s chick. Simple and easy. People still rock this too, especially when you're. Put your hair in the front part and put it in the side ponytail. The side ponytail. Oh lord. Oh lord. Side ponytail does not have to be perfect, because it don't. Okay. Side ponytail. Okay, so this next style. Okay, let me just put this out there, y'all. All these styles you probably seen before, or probably haven't seen before. I'm giving it my name, because like this is what I call them. So yeah. So this next style is called regular high school chick. So basically all the girls do this to their hair when they get twists, braids, locks, whatever the case may be. Everybody did this style. So okay, you guys, so we're gonna start by twisting our hair on one side, and we're also gonna repeat that on the other side. The twist does not have to be tight. at all. They can be loose, because when it's all said and done, what we're gonna do is just take both of our twists and put them to the back. So you can put it in a bun or you can put it in a ponytail, whichever you prefer. You guys, excuse my voice, I am still sick. Okay, so my next style I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it the pullback fishtail. Basically, fishtail. So basically, what you're gonna do is have your hair pull back in a ponytail, and it's gonna be a fishtail braid. So we're gonna pull some hair to the back, not that much. So like that, not that much. And that's how you do it. So you're gonna take just a little bit, and you're gonna cross it over like this. And then you're gonna grab some more from the front, and you're gonna cross it over like this. It's like weird, but just crossing it over. Take this hair. It's like basically a crossover, so-called. Here. Take this hair. Just crossover. Just look at what I'm doing or try to follow what I'm doing. You can see it crossing over. Show you not a fishtail, but somewhat a fishtail. Then you're gonna take your hair from this side and hair from this side, and you're gonna put this, cross it over like a tying a shoe, like this, and it'll stay. And now you got that. So, yeah. Okay, so this next style, I'm gonna call it the swoop pushback. Okay, basically, your hair is pushed back, but you got a little swoop. Okay. So basically what you're gonna do, pull some hair to the front, make a big gap right here. Don't pull it too tight, you want it like this. Then you take some hair from here, you gotta put it in a ponytail. You're gonna do this right here, put out some. Okay, so this is the swoop. Ponytail pushback. Yes. Next out, I'm gonna call it the Ariana Grande slick, because it's kind of like Ariana Grande because it has a ponytail, but it's slick not because you got some hair down. Oh, got stuck. Okay, yeah. So what you're gonna do is have your hair in the front. You're gonna take your sides, like your sides, and you're gonna pull it up from. But make sure you keep that front part. Pull it up in a ponytail, a high one. And so now you have your hair up, see, like that. And then you got your hair in the front like this. And then also, stop. What you also can do, if you're not feeling that, you just put this in a bun, like a cute bun. Oh, and also we can do the swoop with it and just put like a bobby pin. Get your finger up the way of your finger. Or a bobby pin, but I just use a ponytail for the time being. Oh, wait, hold on. You can let me take that ponytail. I'll wrap it up here. Okay, so like this with this swoop. Like that. Okay, you guys, so this next step, I'm gonna pull our hair down. We're gonna start braiding our hair in the back. Just braiding our hair in the back. It does not have to be perfect whatsoever, as long as you're making some type of braid in the back of our head. Y'all, do you see them BDBs? I just want to like get a comb and like comb it like and just pluck them all out. Like, girl, that's horrible. Okay, so after we're done doing our braid, what we're gonna do is get a stretchy little ponytail thingy. That actually came from a shirt. The little stretchy part, elastic. Yeah, don't judge me. And yeah, that's basically it. So that's what I use as a ponytail holder. So we did a braid and then we used that to get the pony. Okay, so this one I'm gonna call like the side pony with a twist. The Shan. It reminds me of Shan from Martin. Yeah. And it has the braid in the back, so. And it's also like nice and stylish. You wear a nice dress, like just set up, like it looks like kind of rockish, coolish. It's very versatile, this style. Okay, y'all, so this next hairstyle I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it the twist French braider because it's not braids, it's a twist back to the head. So basically what you're gonna do is just take your hair. Nothing has to be, you know, even really, to be honest. You're just gonna twist it. Take those two. Twist it to the back. Yeah. Ooh, that'd be kind of cute. But twist it to the back. And we're gonna stop. It's kind of like that hairstyle that everybody's doing where they have like their hair braided and then they stop it and put it in two ponytails. And then they have the bundles at the end. So it's just basically the same thing, but it's like in, you know, lock form. And it's not braids. Just twist it like that. So it's like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Gotta be careful, y'all. These edges. Where ponytail to go? I could have sworn I just had one. The heck? I put some ponytail holders. Just had one. Okay. Anyways. So do this real quick to show y'all since I really just have these ponytail holders. Use that to tie it. And it blends right on in. So you have two ponytails like this, but they're two twists like that. And they can be much neater, but it's just an idea so you guys can get it. Okay, you guys, so that's it for the 10 different styles for the locks, braids, twists, whatever you may want to call it, individuals. So those are like 10 different looks, simple and easy. If you want me to do more diverse ones, let me know. But thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is your girl, Deja Vu 013. That's me. And yeah, thank you for watching.